Now forget all the hullabaloo about 4K screens, 8K displays, curved TVs, 105 inches. What we're looking at here is some incredible innovation in other displays. This one here looks like a regular display, but you can see that you can look straight through it at the plant and candle behind. It's quite amazing. And Sharp, the Japanese maker of this panel, see that it could be potentially useful in advertising or retail environments. There are no immediate plans to incorporate it into a product. Now, aside from just this see-through display, there's some other, not just curved displays, but entirely circular displays. Tom Spears is from Sharp. Tom, explain to me exactly what we're looking at here.
So Sharp has been able to take the traditional rectangular display, and we've been able to move the electronics that usually are in the bezel or the frame of the display and put that inside of the display so that we no longer need to keep it in a rectangle, and we can cut it into any shape that we wish.
They look great, but what practical use would they have?
Well, in an automotive environment, there's a lot of difficulty as far as getting a display to fit in the traditional or conventional dashboard. And we also see it being used on new mobile devices. Perhaps the tablet or the cell phone rectangular is no longer required.
We've already seen, though, with smartwatches that designing for round is very challenging. There's something about a rectangular interface that does work very well.
Yeah, a rectangular interface has a lot of matrices for, the math algorithms, so circles do pose some of a difficulty. And we're already working with several different suppliers of either firmware or software to develop the necessary user interface and algorithms to work out those issues.
So how challenging is it to make something like these?
No, traditionally the process that we use to develop these displays is very similar to what we're currently using in our panels, and we are simply taking it one step further and able to cut them into different shape.
Tom Spears, many thanks indeed. So curved TVs, curved screens in our cars, and maybe even our smartphones and tablets.